Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need to confirm the program actually exists before debugging. First, build the project and inspect the output directory for the exact executable name. Once done, make sure the build reported 0 link errors. Failed links often produce no binary. Also check configuration. You might have built release while your debugger expects debug or targeted x86 versus x64. If the executable is missing, stop and fix the build errors now. Otherwise, proceed to point the launcher at the correct file. Next, tell the IDE where to find that executable. In Project Properties or Launch Configuration, set the command or executable field to the exact file path. I recommend using an absolute path to avoid relative path mistakes. Make sure the working directory is set to the folder containing dependent resources, because a mismatched working directory can make the program fail even if it launches. Once the path is correct, save and try launching again. This often resolves the program does not exist error immediately. Finalize by handling OS-level blockers and doing a clean check. On Unix, give the file execute permission with chmod +x. On Windows, right-click Properties to unblock or check antivirus quarantine. Smart Screen can prevent execution. If problems persist, do a clean rebuild to regenerate the binary and reset your launch configuration to a fresh one using the absolute path. One troubleshooting tip. If the IDE still says the program does not exist, try launching the executable directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.